Hi, these topical talks gonna show you how to upload giant square photos on Instagram. Follow these easy steps to make a giant square photos for your Instagram. First of all, we have to download an app. So go to your App Store or Play Store and search for Grid Post. All you have to need just install this free app on your phone and then launch the app. Tap on Create Grids. Tap on Photo Grid. And now from your gallery, select a photo. And here you can choose grid layout. I'm selecting this 3 by 3. And you can drag the photo like this to adjust. Then tap on Next. And here you have to watch an ad. Now tap on Next again and tap on Done. Okay, here you can add some filters to your photo. Once done, tap on Done. Again, you have to watch an ad. And here we can see the grid has been created. Here select Instagram and tap on One to upload the first grid image to your Instagram. Tap on Next. Next, share. Go back to the app again and now tap on 2 and tap on Next. Upload the photo. Go back to the app again. Now tap on 3. That's how we have to upload all grid photos one by one. Go back to the app again. Once you've uploaded all of your grid photos, go to your profile and here you will see you have successfully uploaded a giant square photo. Here you can see. So this is how we can do it. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.